Hello and welcome to the FAANG FX Crypto and Precious Metal Report. Let's see what happened last week. You are looking at Meta. Meta has been on a rocket ride to the moon here. It looks like we finally slowed down a little bit. We got a little bit of consolidation going on right now, but structure is still to the upside. The algorithms are still to the upside, and we're showing some upside pressure from AI. I'm going to stick with my forecast of sideways to up for Meta. Amazon, pretty much the same story. We've got a nice trend to the upside, structures to the upside, algos are to the upside, and AI is showing up upside pressure right now. Apple's still been going sideways for a long ways here. They're threatening to drop. Structures to the downside. The algorithms are to the downside, and there's downside pressure from AI. If we break below these lows, the next stop is somewhere around here, 120 and change. So my forecast is sideways to down for Apple. Netflix on a pretty good ride to the top here. Structures to the upside, algorithms are to the upside, AI is to the upside. So sideways to up for Netflix. Google seems to have recovered temporarily from some of their mishaps with their AI and a couple other legal things. So we had a little bit of pop to the upside here for about 2 weeks. So if we breach this high here, everything will probably flip to the upside. But for right now, I'm going to stick with my sideways on Google. We'll see what happens this week. All right, next one up here is the first of the four currency pairs. This is the Euro USD pair. Right now, we are in a downtrend from a structure standpoint. The algorithms are still pointing up, but we just bounced off of this order pool up here. So I'm saying sideways to down on the euro. Pound dollar, nothing much new, even though structure is to the upside. The predominant movement has been sideways. I'm going to stick with my forecast sideways on that for now. US Japanese yen, structures to the upside, algos are to the upside. This is the second time we are bouncing off of this high. Okay, so unless we break through that this week, I may change my forecast to sideways to up, but for right now I'm going to say up. I'm going to stay optimistic here that the yen will break through this high. Dollar Chief, we finally made it up to this order pool. Okay, algos and structure are to the upside. I'm guessing we're going to bounce off of this and start to go down. So what I'm going to do is I am going to change my forecast to sideways to up. All right, because I think we're going to probably hit this and bounce back down to the downside, or kind of do one of these. All right, on to the fun stuff. Bitcoin. Looks like Bitcoin is finally slowing down a little bit. We have some consolidation here. Structure still to the upside. Algos and AI are to the upside. I'm still gonna stick with my upside forecast for now. This thing still has a lot of momentum, and there's still a lot of grandmas buying Bitcoin now. So we'll see what happens. Same holds true for Ethereum and also Litecoin. All up and away on all three of those. Here's a little bit of a surprise. The gold had a huge rally, okay, over the last few weeks. If you remember, this was the former high over here, and we couldn't seem to get past it. And we've blown way past it, had a little bit of a pullback here. And now we're all the way up to 22.38 and change. So this is an all-time high for gold. Sideways to up is my forecast for this as well. Then we have silver. Not quite as aggressive as gold, but still We've had these big runs up on silver, starting to consolidate a little bit here, but algorithms and AI and structure to the upside on silver as well. So bullish on the precious metals. Anyway, that's it for this week. Over and out from Bill. Introducing some new things for 2024. First of which is the FX Morning Mayhem podcast. Each week I will go over my sentiment for the marketplace, point out any significant news of the day, give you my top picks on my watch list, and then hopefully give you some tips and tricks on how you can improve your trading. If you like the FAANG report, you should check out the Trade Faction. The Trade Faction is a Slack channel in which I post my trading plan for the day and go through my trades in detail. If you just want to learn about trading or hang out, you can come to the Trade Faction. Best thing about it, it's free. Just go to the website, click on the link, and join for free.